YouTube, this is Dave with Lost Farms Homestead. I'm out here at the tomatoes at the gardens at the house in town. Looking at these tomatoes right now, and I'm having a problem with them. They're falling down pretty good. They've grown pretty big and they're starting to fall down a little bit. I already had to untangle them from all of this mess. So I'm thinking I'm gonna measure the space, and I have a 4x4 in the garage, so I'm gonna cut it in half. Hopefully I think it's a 10 foot, so I probably got like 5 foot on either side, and I'm gonna bury the ends of it and run a board across the top, put some eye hooks in it that I have left over from the hardware on these shade cloths, and run some strings down for them to climb up, and I'm gonna try and tie them up so they're not falling over anymore. So that's my project for the night right now. So, oh, also we got some, here look, couple of little tomatoes. There's the other ones. And yeah, there's those ones, and there's one here, a little bitty one, and I think that's it so far. So I'm gonna tie them up so we can get some more tomatoes on here, and yeah, I need to pull some tape, so I'm gonna go pull some tape, and then I'll cut some wood, and I'll come back and set it up and show you what I'm doing. I'm being attacked. Huh. All right, apparently he thinks I've got something in my shoe. Crazy chicken. All right, crazy chickens. All right, I'm gonna get this going. All right, so I've gone through and measured everything out, cut the boards down. This guy, I took this one and I set it across here and measured just about, kind of eyeballed right about where the plants are located if I had the thing up here like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dig a couple of holes, place these two in the ground, get them leveled out. I'm gonna attach these to the top of it and then run strings from the loops down and tie them around the tomatoes, and hopefully that'll keep them more so upright, because I'm just trying to get them where they're standing up, you know? So I can tie them up like this, and then they'll grow hopefully vertically instead of, you know, hanging the way that they are. So that's what I'm doing. Not my first choice for digging, but it's handy. All right, whew. August in Arizona, holy cow. All right, it is hot. So I've gone through and set everything up and tied these guys up, and I think they're gonna do a lot better. Now, I know that this isn't the right way to tie up tomatoes. I know that there are better situations for this kind of a thing, but I literally stopped at Home Depot on the way home and spent $3.75 on a 2x3 board, and I had everything else that I needed here. So what I've done is a temporary fix, and I think it's gonna work for now until I can figure something better out. So what I've done is I put this post in the ground here, and I ran it up and across and down here to that spot, and I had to move the melons out of the way. The chickens were getting to them, so I had to move them. They didn't get into it yet, I don't think, but close, so I had to move it out of their neck range, you know. Anyway, so here's this one. 1 tomato, 2, 3, and 4. And I just tied it around it and pulled it up out of the way. So I think, and now the bottom's all nice and clear, so the chickens can't get them, and they're all tied up and put up where they need to be and out of the way of everything else. So I think it's good. Also, you remember the volunteer vine that I had going across the back that I put that little trellis up for? Well, we let that thing grow, and you can see it back there. It's back there, kind of growing all wild like that, right? So check this out. I don't know what it is yet. I'm thinking it's probably gonna be a watermelon, but I'm not for sure. I'm gonna have to let it grow a little bit and see what it starts looking like as it gets bigger. But I think it's a watermelon because we had watermelon in there last year. So anyways, that's where I'm at right now, and I'll let you know when we get some tomatoes. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe.